Welcome to Homepedia. Step into the enchanting world of modern design entwined with rustic charm in this captivating living room tour. Discover the seamless integration of contrasting aesthetics, where the warmth of rustic elements meets the sleek allure of contemporary design in a small yet inviting modern house. The living room serves as the heart of this space, where contrasting elements beautifully converge, and wooden textures form a visual symphony against the backdrop of minimalist decor, creating a captivating interplay of warmth and sophistication. Exposed wooden beams traverse the ceiling, adding a rustic allure that complements the clean lines of the contemporary furniture. Natural light cascades through expansive windows, enhancing the earthy tones and textures scattered throughout the room. The deliberate choice of neutral hues, interspersed with gentle hints of earthy shades, creates a serene ambiance that invites relaxation and comfort. Every corner of this living room narrates a tale of curated elegance. A centerpiece reclaimed wood coffee table stands as a testament to timeless craftsmanship, while carefully chosen artwork and strategically placed indoor plants breathe life into the space. The fusion of sleek modern accents with vintage-inspired decor pieces creates a delightful harmony. The open layout of the living room fosters a sense of spaciousness and connectivity, effortlessly blending with adjacent areas. Each piece of furniture and decor item has been thoughtfully positioned to ensure not only aesthetic appeal but also functional convenience, exemplifying the marriage of beauty and practicality. This space is meticulously designed to evoke tranquility and modern sophistication. Plush to throw pillows adorn the seating, a cozy area rug adds warmth underfoot, and the unobtrusive integration of technology and smart design solutions ensures a harmonious living experience. Join us on this immersive journey through the rustic living room of this small modern house, where every element coalesces to create an environment that speaks volumes about the artful integration of rustic coziness and contemporary elegance.